The American Red Cross is honoring its 2026 Central Valley Heroes. These are individuals recognized for their extraordinary acts of courage and compassion. This year's healthcare hero is a doctor at Kaweah Health in Visalia, who was the driving force behind creating a safe place where children in crisis can get the help they need. Dr. Corey Jakes is accustomed to seeing people at their lowest. He provides psychiatric care to children and adolescents, a calling driven by his own childhood.
Coming from a background of a relatively rough childhood, and really kind of wanting to make things better for young children growing up.
He says children having a mental health crisis often end up in the emergency room, which can be terrifying. So he helped develop the Crisis Stabilization Unit at Kaweah Health as an alternative to treat children and young adults.
This is a place for healing for kids. And like I said, a sanctuary, a place where they can feel safe, they can feel seen, they can feel heard, and have some agency over their lives, their bodies, and what happens to them. I think that's important, especially for our young kids.
Dr. Jakes is known for his unique way of connecting with patients and their families.
And when we go to see a doctor, we're expecting, a certain thing, somebody who is somehow different than us. And they walk in and see someone like me who can relate to them. They see my tattoos, and here in the Central Valley, for a lot of people, it's very disarming. And they kind of walk in and it's all of a sudden, we're calm, okay, we can connect with you, maybe you'll be able to help us.
And he's seen the results of his work. Recently, he went in for a blood test, and the person drawing his blood was a former patient.
She was going through some dark times as a teenager, but she says, I'm doing better. I graduated high school. I now have this job as a phlebotomist, and if it wasn't for you, I don't think I would be here today.
A reminder that what he does, day after day, year after year, is having an impact.
But at the end of the day, I get to say, hey, I help kids. And I go to bed every night knowing, hey, I helped kids today. And there's nothing in this world that's better than helping children.
Dr. Corey Jakes, Red Cross Healthcare Hero. And next Thursday, Brian and I will MC the Red Cross Central Valley Heroes Award celebration in Fresno. 10 awards will be handed out to extraordinary members of the community. You can buy tickets at the American Red Cross Central California website.